What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you. I'm actually going to be reviewing some of my fan slime, some that you all, my unicorn babies, have sent me, so I'm really excited. I haven't done one of these in a hot minute, so if you're excited as well, don't forget to give this video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you all so much. I know I've kind of been away for a while, but I'm back. Hey. If you would like a unicorn fam shoutout, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag unicorn fam. Make sure you're subscribed and of course turn on that post notification by hitting the bell icon because it kind of helps. And yeah, I am really excited to be doing this again, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so we're first going to go ahead and kick it off with Slayer Slimes here. Of course, I will make sure to link everybody's either Instagram page or Etsy slime shop down in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. So Slayer Slimes sent me a total of 6 different slimes and 2 Korean putties, as well as some really cute extras. I was completely shook. So this first slime here is actually their clear slime. Y'all, they make clear slime like homemade. That has me shook. This comes all the way from Korea, by the way, so I was just completely shook that none of this really needed activator. And yeah, it was just so good. Like, who makes their own glue and turns it into slime? Like, I need to learn how to do that. I just have no words for that. And it was so good, very thick, and yeah, just really nice. The only thing I would say is that it is a little bit foggy, but of course it's homemade, so you know, I think that's just, you know, has to do with the ingredients or something. I just still am like so amazed that somebody can make their own glue and turn it into slime. This next slime here is a really cool marshmallow slime. It's scented just like marshmallow, and I believe it's a butter slime. It's more like on the fluffy side, but it's super spreadable and also very sizzly. I really like this one as well because of the scent. It smells really good, almost like marshmallow candy, not even just like marshmallow by itself. And yeah, I really loved it. I'm actually playing with it right now. And the next slime we have here, this one is called Holographic. I totally forgot to mention that I am in love with like all of the containers. I just think they're super cute and unique. I was gonna say cute-nique. I don't know where that came from, but cute and unique. This one I believe as well is their clear glue, like their homemade clear glue, and they turned it into slime because it feels the exact same as the first one that I showed you all, and it has me on a stretcher, literally. I love the color of this slime. I love how thick it is, and yeah, just really nice, and all those little sparkles in there are super cute. Next up, we have some slime from Pelican Signs here. So Pelican Signs actually sent me 3 types of slime. However, 2 of them actually were busted like all over the package, but I was able to clean this one up. So we are going to go ahead and review this one only. Yeah, so they gave me some extras and the borax and, you know, business card, all that stuff. This one is called Sweet Treat, and I thought this was super cool. I'm so glad. What? I can't even speak. I promise it is not that late right now. It's literally 11:30 p.m. Like, what? The slime looks like a really cool fishbowl and avalanche slime all in one, so that was really cool. I really love this slime and I was really excited for it. I did have to activate it a little bit, but keep that in mind, it is not like their fault. I usually have these slimes for like weeks maybe even months, and it is totally not their fault. It's my fault because I can't get to them fast enough, and I'm so sorry. But I try to do your slime justice anyways. Once I completely activated this slime, I did leave it a little bit sticky just because I wanted to make sure that none of the beads would pop out and all of that. I thought this was a really nice slime. It has a very great bubble pops and I just really loved it. Also, I think it's a little bit more stretchy than normal because there is some white glue in there as well from the avalanche part of the slime. So I just thought that was really cool and a unique take on a slime. We are going to be reviewing next some slime from Gianna's Heavenly Slimes. Now, Gianna sent me a bunch of stuff, y'all, and I was completely shook when I opened this. There's a bunch of extras. There are 4 mini slimes, 2 8-ounce slimes, so we're gonna go ahead and review one of each. And yeah, of course it's super melted. I'm so sorry, Gianna, but I tried to do the slime justice anyways. This one here is really nice. This one was called Oops All Berries, and I really loved the phloem. The base of it was super thick yet jiggly as well, which I really enjoyed. That's kind of like the in thing now. They call it a figgly slime. It's like a thick and jiggly slime. Yeah, I just think it's really nice. The bubble pops were great, and yeah, the only thing I would say is that I don't think this was scented. It didn't smell like anything to me, but yeah, that's really the only critique that I have for the slime. It's a pretty good slime. This cute little baby slime caught my attention because it's a really cute peach color and it's actually scented like peaches as well. I really love the scent of this one. It was very prominent and you can tell it was a peach scent, which I really enjoyed. This slime was very creamy, but it also had some fake plastic snow in it, I believe, so it gave it a little bit of a crunch and almost like a snow fizz, and I really enjoyed it. I wish I had more. Next up, we have Sunshine Slimes by Matt. So there are 4 different slimes here. There is a bunch of extras and even a bottle of Elmer's glitter glue, which you know that I love. So I was really excited to see that. I really loved just like the little extras. They're cute little erasers. I think they're so adorable. This first slime literally had me on a stretcher. Just looking at it was so aesthetically pleasing to me. This one is called Peanut Butter and it legit looks like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't know if they intentionally made it like this, if Matt intentionally did this, or if it just settled like that because the clay was on top and then the slime was at the bottom. It did need a little bit of activator, of course, but like I said, I've had this for weeks, probably even months, and I just really enjoy this slime. This was probably one of my favorites, like out of this entire video. I just really loved it. I don't think it was scented at all, but I just thought that the idea behind it was so good, and just like opening it and seeing it was very pleasing to me. Like, it looked exactly like a slice of peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Like, if you just sliced it down the middle and looked at it, I don't know, it had me shook. This next slime here, I don't believe this one had a name. I tried looking on the shop site, but I didn't find a name for this one or a slime that I thought this could be, and I don't think there was a scent for it either, but I really liked it. The foam beads did stay in. I didn't leave it sticky whatsoever, and I activated it normally, and there was no bead fallout whatsoever. The base was really nice. It was on the thinner side. It wasn't like a thick slime, but I just thought it was really nice, and it gave great bubble pops. Alrighty y'all, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of the slimes were your favorite. It's kind of hard for me to pick. I really liked the peanut butter and jelly slime, but the homemade clear slime also had me shook, so I honestly don't know. Also, I did want to let you all know that I'm updating the links down in the description box below. They are going to be listed with a bunch of the events that I'm going to be going to. We have literally an event every single month that I'm going to be going to in a different city, so make sure that you are prepared. It's almost like a little mini tour where I'm going to be selling slime. It's actually really fun. All the links will be listed down below. If you've gotten this far in the video, make sure that you subscribe because it would obviously help, and you obviously like the video, so make sure that you stick around. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Talk behind my back, but never up in my face, though. I just want my money, chips, guac, and queso. Dame un beso.